It's the Britt Rochelle Show. Do do do.
Hello, it's the Britt Rochelle Show, coming to you almost live from the kitchen, full of energy and ready to dance. Look at her go. You won't be able to see moves like this every day. What's this? Britt Rochelle hasn't seemed to have eaten yet. Don't you worry, some warm milk bread should do the trick. For this recipe you will need milk 3/4 a cup, salt half a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 1/4 of all-purpose flour, 6 tablespoons or 3/4 a stick of unsalted butter, 3 eggs. Be sure to wear an apron so your clothes don't get all messy. Before starting, remember to preheat your oven to 325 degrees. First, crack 3 eggs into a bowl. A couple taps should do. Nice job. Set the bowl aside for a couple of minutes as to get to room temperature. Now, butter the inside of a baking bowl. Make sure to get the sides. With your bowl nice and buttered, place a small layer of flour into the bowl. Go ahead and shake it around, covering the sides and the bottom. Well done. Now we can move on to the next part. Since it's out, let's start with 1 1/4 cup of flour. Just plop it in there. Two teaspoons of baking powder. There you go. Now a quick stir to bring it together. Fast one, ain't ya? 6 tablespoons of butter to a 1/3 microwavable bowl. Now pour 3/4 a cup of milk on top. Now let's head over to the microwave. Microwave for 30 seconds. Still a little chunky. Let's give it another 30, eh? Looking real excited there, Britt. There we go, nice and melted. Pour 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, or, as Britt Rochelle would say, use your heart. Britt Rochelle's heart apparently said 2 teaspoons. Salt! Half a teaspoon will do. Light stir. Time for sugar. We'll use brown sugar. We'll need 1/4 a cup. Stir for a couple of minutes. This could take a while. That was an arm workout, eh? Stir the first bowl into the second bowl. Gradually add the bowl of flour and baking powder into the rest. Let's go ahead and skip to the end. Pour into the cooking pan. Make sure to get it all. Whoops, got a little carried away there, did we? Place into the preheated oven. You remember to do that, right? And set out a timer for around 30 minutes. Let's see how it looks. That does smell good. Perfect. Let's give it a try. But wait, it may be too hot to eat. Let it cool before eating. Look at that. Slid right out of the pan. Let's give it a try. Delicious. Thank you for watching. Did you try the recipe? Let me know. And stay peachy. Look at her go. Now that she's got her groove back, she can dance like no tomorrow, pulling out old-fashioned moves and new ones alike. Well, that's a weirder one. Oh, that's just wrong. Why would she do that? What is even going on here? What is supposed to be the objective? Is she mowing the lawn? The sprinkler, come on! There's not that many light bulbs in a house. Who are you praying to? Nobody likes the shopping one. Alright, that's it. I'm out of here.